everyone. In today's particular video, I just want to show a tips on how to make coils. Easiest way for you to make your coils, you know. Yeah, actually, I'm still on the process. Tomorrow is school day. Can you guys see? Hope you can see. The braid is very netty. It's very, very beautiful and shiny. Lift it up. Yeah, it's shiny for Olivia Sika. Here is the coils. The easiest way you can make your coils. Not by putting it into three like bob braids. Those coils are not long lasting, but this is long lasting coils. On adults, on kids, it's very easy. Very, very easy. Make sure you focus. You stay focused because this hair I'm making is big. You know, so you just have to focus on one so that it will have the perfect result. I used to make it the figure. That is it.
Can I?
For sure. So the easiest way, you know, are you done? Make sure the camera is stay close to me. There are many people whereby they took their twist, they twist it this way. Not that it wasn't beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. But try another new way to make your coils, you know, to make it fun, you know, upgrade your coils. Yeah, you see, one of them. Yeah, you tight it very, very well so that the coils will be very, very pumping and looking so.
Guys, you can also use this.
Okay. I don't like this. It's easily tangled instantly. After 2 days, it's ugly. Yeah. So I didn't add nothing on it. Only. Welcome, guys. Yes, Olivia's hair. Here's the coils, guys. Mommies, how they're trying to make your kids hair. It's very, very easy. Yes, Olivia, don't do it so that.
The tree left down.
Olivia, you can also help the boy. You have to be careful.